Today we're studying about the remaining part of the pregnancy and the hormonal control. Yesterday we completed about the diagnostic features of pregnancy and the two phases of the pregnancy. That is, one is the luteal phase of the pregnancy is completed. Then today we study about the second phase, that is placental phase of the pregnancy. After implantation of blastocyst, pools of blood gather around the finger like projections of the blastocysts. You see here, this is the gathering of the blood around the finger like projections of the blastocysts. A vascular connection between the fetus and maternal tissues established called placentation. This is called as the placentation. The connection between the fetus and the maternal tissue. The fetus receives the nourishment and oxygen from the mother through the placenta. The placenta also eliminates the excretory products of fetus metabolism. Human placenta functions as an endocrine organ, secreting hormones like estrogen, progesterone, human chorionic gonadotropic, human placental lactogen, and relaxin. The fetus and maternal tissue are in close contact in placenta. There is no mixing of maternal and fetal circulation. Maternal, that is the mother and the fetus. It is separated by thin partition which allows the exchange of various substances by diffusion or by active transport. The main blood vessel from placenta enter the fetus through thick cord called umbilical cord. At birth, this cord is cut, and after which the baby or the fetus will not receive any nourishment through the placenta. The growing fetus is also attached by the amniotic fluid with the maternal tissue. Amniotic fluid is freely exchanged with the maternal tissue. This placental phase continues 9 months, during which all systems are properly developed. You see here, this is the sectional view to show the implantation. This is endometrium, this is blastula, and there is a connection in between them. As the pregnancy advances, the size of the fetus increases and occupies the whole of uterine cavity. The size of fetus increases 10 times the normal size. Then, other physiological changes during pregnancy. First is in mother, what changes takes place? That is, first is birth canal is enlarged. Second one is the breasts are properly developed to start lactation after parturition. After parturition or after delivery, the lactation starts. Next one, the pigmentation of areola or nipple occurs due to ACTH or MSH. Nipples becomes the red color of the breast due to hormone ACTH and the MSH. The volume of blood increases by 1 to 2 liters of extra blood. The mother blood is increases the volume 1 to 2 liters. Next, blood count and blood cholesterol also increased. Then increase in efficiency of respiration also. Then ovary to produce graphene follicle, which then starts secretion of estrogen, and this estrogen stimulate pituitary to secrete LH and LTH hormone, which brings about ovulation and carpus luteum formation. Carpus luteum secrete progesterone, which brings about the placentation on one hand and prevents further ovulation on other hand, thus maintain the pregnancy. Okay, this is about the pregnancy. Thank you.